This is Emhape Tech with new video. We're less than a month away from when Samsung will likely unveil the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus, but these could be the last phones from Samsung with in the name, as the company is rumored to call 2019's model the Samsung Galaxy X rather than the Galaxy S10. That's according to industry researchers and analysts speaking to Text24, and is apparently being done to simplify the naming scheme, so rather than ever-growing numbers new handsets would be called, for example, the Samsung Galaxy X, 2020. The site further speculates that the change could also be to better position the range as an alternative to the iPhone X. Seems suspect. But we're not convinced that this is going to happen. For one thing, calling all its handsets the Galaxy X, even with the different year after each name, could prove confusing and make it harder to differentiate them, rather than making things simpler. Also, Samsung is already rumored to be making a separate Galaxy X, as that's the name its foldable phone is currently going by. This source does address that, saying that the foldable Galaxy X will be the highest-end variant of the new range, but it's suitably different that we'd think Samsung would want to separate it from its main flagship line. So there might not be a Samsung Galaxy S10, but right now we wouldn't count on that. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.
We'll be right back.